The Bulk TDS Calculation feature in the software allows users to view TDS amounts for multiple employees together. It helps in exporting data to Excel, where any necessary updates can be made, and then re-uploaded to the software for easy processing. This makes handling large volumes of employee data more efficient and less time-consuming. Go to Utilities. Click on Employee Bulk TDS Calculation. Select Company from the list. Select the financial year. Click on Calculate Income Tax. The tax values of all the employees of the company will be displayed. One can export the data by clicking on Export Excel. Click on Save. Open the downloaded file to view the data. Click on Update Income Tax. Click on Yes. All the income tax values have been updated successfully. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.